This meeting is being recorded.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Harifah bin Ghazali, matric number 202008. Okay, today I will present the lab assignment 2, which is the Popeye Pet Adoption Indonesia app. It's only focused on the login and register. Okay, now we want to demo the app. First we want to show the splash screen. I will reload, then we show the splash screen first. Here the splash screen, and we will look 2 seconds and we will navigate to the login page. At the login page, we have email and password and remember me feature. If remember me feature you we think if you don't fill it, it will pop up the error. If we press the login without fill email and password, we also pop up the snack bar. Now we want to try to register account first. Okay, let's say if you did not fill any field at the registration, then you click the register, it will pop up, please fill all field. Okay, now we want to fill all the field. Okay, for the phone number, we must put the Malaysia phone number. If not, it will error. Because I just set the validation to the phone number, Malaysia phone number only. Let's say I want to try to, for the phone number, I want to try to add another 0. Okay, now enter a valid phone number, Malaysia phone number. Okay, let's say for the password, I want to try to validate the confirm password and the password is not matched. Let's say for the email, I use the same email, the existing email at the database, and it will pop up the register dialog box, and we click the register, and you will notify your email already registered, so cannot use the same email. Then we try to register back. Register. Then registration successful, and we navigate to the login page. Okay, now we go for the database. We look for the database, whether the data is or not. Now we can refresh the PHP admin, and we can see FRZ, Farifah 5, all the password, full and register date was stored at the database. Now we want to try the login page. Now we try to insert all the data and the password, and we try to remember feature and try to log in. Okay, if the password is incorrect, we pop up the invalid password. Okay, now log in. Okay, if login successful, we navigate to the home page. Now I want to show you the remember me feature. Okay, just now we click the remember me feature. Now the email and password will remain at the field. If you don't want, you can remove it, and it will remove the preference. I think that's all for me. Thank you.